Hey, what's up guys? Happy Saturday. Today we are going to be doing some more Etsy print-on-demand shop reviews. It's episode 34. And I don't know if this is a record or what, but we are reviewing Crazy Dog t-shirts with over 150,000. Yes, 150,000. That is absurd. That's an incredible amount of sales. If you made $1 profit per sale, you're still sitting on 150K plus profit. I'm sure they make more than that. So we're going to review Crazy Dog shirts, 150,000 plus sales on Etsy lifetime, 5-star average review. I haven't looked too hard ahead of time, so we're going to be kind of learning on the fly. Sometimes we go and we do some shop reviews where we're looking to critique. In this case, I think we're all looking to learn from one of the best out there doing it. So I'm excited. Let's get started. Real quick, make sure you enter the weekly print-on-demand giveaway. It's completely free. 2 winners are going to be randomly selected and announced tomorrow. They're going to receive a license to Merch Titan's upload automation, Merch Ninja research tools for print-on-demand, All Sunset's premium pre-made graphics to help you with your design, and Bubble Scout, the best Redbubble niche research tool. The link is at the top of the description. Also down there, I've got an 8-day print-on-demand mini course completely free. It's going to walk you through how to start your Etsy shop, integrate it with a print-on-demand production company, and get started selling print-on-demand products on Etsy. It's completely free. And I've got a great print-on-demand Facebook community. If you guys aren't in there yet, I'd love to have you. All right, let's check out this Etsy shop. All right, here we are at Crazy Dog Shirts. I'll, of course, link to it in the description in case you want to check it out yourself. So the first thing I noticed, they have a big banner and they've got the slider functionality enabled. They're showing off multiple products. They got some mitts, some oven mitts here. What did it say? It said all orders are shipped the next business day. So basically offering very quick shipping. Buy 3 shirts, get 2 free. Just add 5 shirts to your cart and enter code 2FREE at checkout. So hey, another strong incentive to increase the average order value. And if people don't include that code at checkout, they're not going to get their 2 free. So another way of, increasing the average order value, because they may miss that. Screen printed by hand in Rochester, New York. Try our hilarious and buttery soft socks. So they're promoting socks specifically. Maybe that's like a bestseller of theirs, or maybe they have a large profit margin baked into the socks. But anyways, yeah, so we have just been studying their slider, and check out how they lay it out too. Photo, big text with call to action, right? I mean, we should be studying this, taking notes. This is a shop that, has achieved, basically the pinnacle of success on Etsy. What do they got going on with their announcement? Here at Crazy Dog Shirts, we specialize in funny, customizable shirts in different colors and styles printed on ultra soft shirts, making these super soft, comfortable, and breathable. 100% of the designs that Crazy Dog t-shirts sells are created and printed in-house. We have partnerships for more exclusive designs. Wow. So, hey, props to them. They've also got exclusive partnerships to offer things that maybe other people don't offer. Also, I want to just point out too, how I always talk about the importance of good thumbnails. Well, check this out. I mean, this socks thumbnail is popping off the screen, even relative to their own other thumbnails. Like the socks thumbnail here is really and that's a featured item ahead of Valentine's Day. By the way, do you think it's coincidence that one of the top Etsy shops ahead of Valentine's Day has a featured items list of all Valentine's Day shirts? Like they know exactly what they're doing. So guys, I mean, what's the difference between them and you? Well, I don't know, but it's also one of the things is either you take this initiative and either you both do, or, they do and you don't, right? So try to lessen the gap between the best and you as you aspire to be the best. I'm assuming you don't own this shop. If you do though, definitely hit me up. Anyways, let's check out some of their design styles. I'm not a huge fan of this design style because it's red on red, but at the same time, they have probably a ton of eyeballs on their shirts. Just given how successful they are on the platform. So, I mean, I'm sure that they don't have to worry as much about standing out in search results because, yeah, I'm sure it's certainly, you definitely stand out in search results when you see 150,000 sales and, however many reviews they have. Let's do a quick test on this here just to see what their shirts actually look like in search results. So I want to see their shirt plus I want to see their competition. Yeah. So check this out, right? This is good to do, by the way. Every now and then, put yourself in the shoes of your customer. We're pretending that we're the shop owners right now. How do they see our shop or our shirt? So we look across the first row. All right. Nothing big, not a big deal. One shop has 4,700 reviews. Okay, that's a lot. But then we scroll down to the second row, and boom, there's a shop with over 25,000 reviews, average 5-star review with free shipping. So rather than running a sale, they're offering free shipping, and they're charging $17. Let's see if they're doing the loss leader strategy. But you guys see what I'm saying? Like, they don't have to worry, I guess, as much about standing out in search results because they just have, what's their edge? Well, they have 25,000 reviews. Who else does? Probably nobody on this, entire page, right? They're figuring out what's working for them. You can see how they structured their listings here. You've got your standard shirt on white background. I'm wondering why they did white background. Maybe they, mix it up. I'm assuming they probably mix it up. Definitely on the socks they do. Where'd it go? Here we are. They highlight the design itself in a close-up. I wonder if that's actually a picture. It looks like it could be, instead of just doing like a computer mock-up. They've got the size chart. That's always a good addition to any listing, like with t-shirts. People definitely pay attention to that. And they've got kind of a little company profile right here saying, why choose Crazy Dog t-shirts? And they're kind of breaking it down for you, why their company's special, etc. All right, so let's do a size. Let's do a XL. Quantity 1. Okay, so they're not doing the loss leader tactic that a lot of shops do, And honestly, the loss leader, I had somebody message me and say, like, oh, I'm not a big fan of the idea of that because it feels like you got duped if you're a customer on the other side of that. When you see a shirt listed as $11.99, then you come into the listing and you say, oh, I'm a size XL, and then the price jumps from $11.99 to $17.99. And you're like, what? But at the same time, like, if Etsy didn't like that, didn't want that, they could fix it. On eBay, they do the same thing, but then I also noticed on eBay, it's where I do a lot of my shopping, like, they'll also sometimes show the range. So it would say like $11.99 through $17.99 instead of just $11.99, right? They do this sometimes, not all the time. So it's something that the platforms could fix. By not fixing it, they could, by not fixing it, they're incentivizing people to do it, is what I meant to say. Check this out down here. So they've got their shipping policies like explicitly stated. Etsy's even like showing kind of the timeline here. You place your order today, January 31st. They will ship it out tomorrow, February 1st, and on February 5th, it will be delivered. It says estimated though, so I'm sure like they're not going to guarantee it. That being said though, this does look, really good, and it's tough if we're outsourcing to Printful, Printify, essentially doing anything other than fulfilling these ourselves. It's tough to compete with these guys. But where we have our edge is right here, okay? In search results. All right, because in search results, not everybody's going to go and see, oh yeah, 25,000, reviews. That's why we should buy from this guy. They're not all going to see that. So we can do kick-ass thumbnails, great designs that pop, run a sale, maybe offer free shipping too, and do the loss leader to get them to click. If we combine all these things, we have a fighting chance against somebody like Crazy Dog T-shirts, who obviously is, absolutely crushing it. Let's just hit refresh. Yeah, they gained like 5 sales in the time that we were looking at their shop. Must be nice, right? Let's scroll down and see what they got going on. So they're utilizing sections here: zombie, Halloween, fall, maternity tees. The maternity tees, that's kind of an interesting take on. Whoa, this one, 9 people have this in their cart. It's like a little cat chilling on the stomach. This is actually okay. So they're definitely using 3D mockups, by the way. You can kind of tell on how they look. Valentine's Day maternity tee, football maternity. Okay, this is a cool, interesting take. When you have your own company too, like doing the printing, you can. Although one thing though, if they're actually doing all these, like, they have to keep all these in stock in these different sizes and colors. Like, that's a lot of stock. Like, this is probably a huge company, and they're probably selling, not just on Etsy, if I had to guess, because this is just the maternity tees. Look how many different colors they have. Each color plus size combination is a different SKU. So they got 1, 2, 3, 6 sizes and 5 colors. So that's at least 30 SKUs just for the pregnancy tees. So, hey, if they're executing it, more power to them, but that's a lot of work. The flip shirts, these are awesome. I would love to be able to sell these. It's just infinite ideas. They're selling these for $17 too. That's crazy. I'm assuming they're getting like, probably a great deal on the base cost of the shirts, and they probably have to have a graphic designer do the mock-ups, if I had to guess, because I wouldn't imagine that a computer mock-up could do both the, the two people side by side. But either way, if you're making as much money as these guys are, it's probably not a big deal. But I love that. So it looks like they've got some niches in their sections. They've also got sections for, product type, men's t-shirts, women's t-shirts, kids shirts, baby and toddler, masks, socks, mugs. So they do mugs too. Wow. That's crazy. So they do mugs as well. And they're selling them for $9.99 with free shipping, or no? There can't be. It can't be free shipping. It is $9.99 plus free shipping. That's tough to compete with, guys. I'm just going to say what I see. They're shipping mugs out and covering the base cost of the mugs and making a profit margin at $9.99. It doesn't seem possible, but yeah, that certainly makes it harder for us to sell mugs on Etsy. But at the same time, guys, like, you know, these they only have 80 mugs listed for sale on their shop. Maybe it's because there's not as much money in selling the mugs. I'm surprised they don't up their prices. But you know, I wouldn't let that deter you from selling mugs, because like I said, they've got 80 mugs. So you can list 800, right? And you can definitely lock in more mug sales probably than they will. But that $9.99 price point is definitely attractive. They have dog shirts. That's awesome. Print on demand dog shirts and aprons and oven mitts. So a wide variety of products. It appears that they are keeping in stock. Should we hit refresh one more time? All right. They didn't make any sales in the last like 2 minutes since we last checked. Guys, let me know your thoughts about Crazy Dog shirts in the comments below. This is definitely one of the most impressive shops that we've reviewed to date. I'm certainly like, you know, learning from them and also just kind of seeing how they operate their business. I'm sure Etsy drives a ton of traffic, and, you know, we could probably find them on Amazon as well. I'm just going to venture a guess. Let's see. Yep. And here they are on Amazon as well. I'm sure doing quite well. So I guess that is an option. You know, you buy a factory, buy the machinery, keep these SKUs in stock, and hire staff to fulfill orders. And that 1-day shipping, you know, that's in theory could make these Prime eligible for seller fulfilled Prime, although that's kind of been a crapshoot for a lot of people that tried it. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Should I go buy a factory, hire a bunch of workers, keep all these SKUs in stock, and try to replicate their success? Should I do it, guys? Let me know. But thank you for watching. Please enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Please like and subscribe, by the way. And I will see you guys tomorrow with a new top 5 niches of the week video.